Good morning. Today is a very special day. As you know, the purpose of traveling to Indonesia is to explore beaches, come out of our comfort zone and also give back. So today we invited a local family for a lunch. So stay with us because today gonna be an amazing day. Guys, we just arrived here in the village. They set us up in a in a small room, and then we are the biggest attraction here, that's for sure. Everybody's coming to look at us, especially we are recording. So we're gonna show you around and show the people, and we are waiting for some tea and coffee.
It's like kind of like that.
Now we are heading to the market to buy the ingredients. It was a bit of a discussion on what to buy, what to don't buy. So let's see what the market has to offer. I see you there.
Tadi kenapa kita tidak membayar saja?
That's how we communicate.
Jadi kita hanya membayar.
Everybody came here to see us and what we are cooking. You cannot start cooking or be more local than if you are not dressed up. They dress me up, so then we are a bit more local. Ready to cook.
Show you how to process the rice. First we have to wash it. We put it in the rice cooker. On the bottom there is we put the water, then the rice, and fire on.
The old woman, she put the money here, you know.
Oh,
This is kelapa.
kelapa.
Kelapa besar, kayak keren.
And then
Coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
What is your name?
Sandro.
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 Leda Suhaib.
Bawan.
Bawa. Nice to meet
Okay.
you.
Sip.
Itu namanya kepala.
Okay.
Perfect. Terima kasih.
Okay.
Santa tanaman. Santa tanaman.
Put salt in the water, and then we put the kangkong.
Pilih sendiri.
This is traditional food from Lombok.
Kalau rasanya 2 minutes.
2 minutes will be. What is that?
Toge.
Toge.
Bahasa ini nasi.
Rice is ready. Ready?
Ready? Gal. You are ready? Yes, ready rice.
Rice is ready.
Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those songs what makes it worth.
process. Mantap.
The food is ready. Now we're gonna sit down and enjoy with them.
I feel like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're either right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it.
I hope you enjoyed the video. It's something very traditional and local. If the video was any help for you, like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. And I see you in the next one.